na yenya ho nkomodie ya bia no na baji ye bre pa efi efi
yeah
efi o Kumasi
eno ne Kumasi headache kese pa
eno ne headache kese pa
be a major headache.
It has been a major headache for
for decades.
Yes, for about 20 years.
For decades.
By intimate dealing with it.
Omo complaining in also can follow.
So,
yeah. Omo complaining in na can follow. If you know one day.
Yani generative film.
Share the volume of waste and then for about 4 days ye ewo Akwatia line bridge and so. Plastic bottles on kwa mpacho me na me go go. Enyi nipa e ba kufo. Plastic bebe we ye ho and do 2 weeks. Na sa ye ma. Ene ya sa kwa ye enu da de ye no. Ye nyi bi sa kwa da. Ye am na to cement on that no. But in so to me ensan be san ye ma. One the two ade no to free Dr. Mensa ho. One the to free Mensia hospital side ho edeba for na ye e men so pia e de be go gatem why na nsuo to a okuhwie ni bola e go gatem na owie na nsuo no twen e ba be go gata kese ma o se kromo ayefi bibi how
asemo
what I say me te so be frɛ so John so fulan ho e by ko kambe jo nyina kan edu bisa Zuba uma me disika ni preference ani pa na o ka no ma mienu uma ne snap so o modua so on to roba nto abonte on timi mo o san ka che necessity on twa ne fie property rate receipt enfama wa onya bi ma enti o contribution no e negative towards achieving the o hwehwe enti dia de kan pa ye mindset ye nyinara ye mindset yansesa no a die be ye biara te bia bone te na so bete mbacho te ase efie wo gata mahudo mu nyinara de na nyame na de begu ho emu de ya ene nyame boye na ka ye ho o ti trotrom wanum nsuo obeja ade atum nanka troto no gina mate no wa pramu nyina na babia dustbin wo akwakofa ede agum onye ne sa troto ne kona na wato ede agu ka akwa no bi ayi 87.9 enso to ana aboa na bagu gatem no asa etwa no se kroma yefi enso to ote Kumasi abonten so obi ehunu because enso to ade obi akwa dem na obi apebe bia enso nka no akwakote no aba behwe ni nwura waye wo fie e de agu gatem na enso na atwe no de aba abegu gata kesem ana mountain so ana ka akwam na yefi owia no say hu say fi na no we visa ni bia na kwaka obi die hu na adoso 7.9 Kumasi osikroma yefi enti the first approach awasi ye de kun efin a edo koroye no
change of mindset
mindset me do ko me ka mu sese abon kan be ye miensa me empty what I say me no wie me dey to me kem me nwu me do me fia na me yi dustbin e dey me dey go dustbin na ya be fa ko na ya dispose ni ye nti we ye nti me nyawe
87.9 Kumasi
anyway na say yenso so sani pa nyina wo hunti ne yenso so ya shembra say ye mfani
but
society ni dia
onim US standard police do nipa miensa bia police ni ba ko no senka emse enwotwe se du ba go the police ni Ghana UN ratio no ba police ni ba ko hwe nipa be 3000 per population, the number of police officers I have. My city guards are more now. 127.
127. Okay.
Omo mechanizer. I tell them from consolidated account. Omo do 30. To virtually about 95. I paid from IGF sources. No kwase I'm say okay me omo ye twa mo IGF nyina April pay in twa. May pay in twa. Nyame amwa me ntime ntwa mu ba ko na dwun be ka ho a komiensa. Me da facility guards ni bi account.
You say more the city guards ni bi ka.
Omo ye twa mu ka
Also
from
90 something.
Why? Omo ye
2 months.
Omo ye twa mu from IGF sources in anye city guards nkwa.
Within the assembly, no?
Within the assembly.
2 months.
2 months. Yen twa wonka. Na say John, you say internally generated fund. Meba. See a KME, ye internally generated fund in akwa kojina property rate and the race course. Say industries are na wo Kumasi and wo KME in akwa so kwa. Nti ohoze kan me. Sika ne be fi swame magazine be ba nyina do. Eko swame. De be ko free kom ko. De be ko kwada so ko. De be ko tafu ko. Ghana has a siege na came in Kwani assembly or sub metros edos. Assembly be any obi. Not even the AMA. AMA or sub metros me answer. Came a wonum.
That's still a mus.
I can see. Now, advantage one year one kind of 1 year. Some ministries in our one kind. Yeah, flood is one kind. Once a ministry, no more. Works and housing no more. Until 1 year one kind of assemblies are hold Omunya some for. Yeah, high ministry may be no ha. In the assembly, I am a major minister. Is here so quite a yen. What the Panama? It is the very moment in contribution or some month for year, the team the year Jumano Emmano. Can you now? Omoka wants me. Yeah, and check. But in your doom was here. And then you say, no, my papa, yan Tony, dear you. A ye nipa bonifu work room, cable is necessary. Oh, yeah. Now, sometimes yeah, Sammy and Fias ye. Now, a new menu. Me, quack security arrangement, if you're. See me if I wish him. Me do bed no so na kan ya ni nyina dum no me yam him na me bufu ye cause my book 750,000 was an kan ya no
750,000
to bring it back
750,000 na
ndu bo so me mianza na nipa boni fo asakutu na de nyina sa dum
Akoma FM
Obaka say and na mum patrol police voice
at the point
police for here say
I see CCTV cameras so wo kroma
ebisi ho nye be bia na CCTV camera o hwe CCTV camera it is yo bridge no so ebisi ho what the point number say but me say ye developing country obi an function it ye hu no ma enso ya kwankro we are not in a perfect situation enti aburo no ye nti so say yanti abro attitude no so a ene abane ye beto sa
87.9 Kumasi Akoma FM 87.9
ye Zuba ya ye deti kuro mu no say yenya timemfo na ansesa no a ye beto abato ato but ensesa no ana ka tell say ye bekọ akoto aba ma obi na o de open ni dimbo ni o de kofie wan e pensa Sejo, you did matter my yam.
You do at
a shimmy, because few many way as all the other. I have slept less than 5 hours between yesterday and today. Maybe eno da me ko boase me ye programs wa ha esan ko boase ko hwe dwumadie bi me bedru ha be 10:30 enda me nsu a na ato ne ntino o se me chinia mane bo 12 baby a minim se nsu yiri a ensu to a eyiri nyina o se me ko hwe na me hwe adwuma ye wo no enya nsu so aso aha se tisi a me gina he me excavator ko kemu ha so je ko se chiro o kofu akabe 4 days ni afi na me san ko han excavator fofo dia ko yi excavator o te pa na me
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And it's someone why with the right attitude. Yabe ye krono. Nanso no yabe ye de. Nansentem came or that's been spa. Your that's been spa good ebo.
O sa.
You will be brave good ebo.
No betoy.
Betoy.
I know you're different from Horace Didi.
Eh, Horace Didi and Ebia. Baby good them.
I didn't good them.
Eba and I'm eba hoy. Na me say makachi phone say. Mama ye deploy the chief. Ye deploy ye kwa ye 3 days na yakofo abesisa ne gina. Ye sign so e de dade ekusi ho. E sign de ade ne san hye dade em. Enkofo bubu palox ni ampa dade na omo de si ho ne ba ko wo echem so. Plaza Junction wo mi hu ye. Say KM de cage no ababesiu a na does been sim ampa edi bed na otwemienu mehu bio
kofafa
ento